All right, guys, this is the CHINNLUU heavy-duty wagon cart with big wheels. This thing is compact. It can, honestly, it can fit in this container. This goes over it. That's how it can kind of squish together and compact, but it's got a nice handle. It's very heavy-duty. You could obviously load very heavy things in here, up to 400 pounds, or you could load your best friend in here and take him for a walk. That's just one of the things you can do with it. And I just think this is very useful because it becomes very compact and loads down very easily, but it holds 400 pounds. I mean, dude, you know how many times you're trying to carry something in or move something and it's heavy? Dude, 400 pounds, okay? Get it.